Hey everyone, I'm going to use my EYESCREAM subscription box product to create a quick look. This is the lip cream. I'm going to put some on. Okay, moisturizing so far. Okay, so that's the lip cream and it is so pretty. I'm going to put it by my bedside. So I have lip cream on. Next, there is a lipstick and it's called Sugar Daddy. I'm going to put the lipstick on. I'm going to need a mirror if I'm going to try this thing here. That's the lip color, Sugar Daddy. I'll put a liner on later to finish it up. Now let's do the eyes. I'm going to use the Chamasi Milano, and it is a single eyeshadow dual chrome. I'm going to use that. And if I need anything else, I will add to it. So it is a multi-chrome, so it's going to show differently. I'm just going to use my finger. This is so soft and pretty. Ooh, I'm afraid to even touch it. It's that pretty. Wow, okay. I am loving this. Ooh. It is not hard to pick up. You just have to swirl a little. I swirled a lot. This is gorgeous. Ooh, 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 ooh. I love an eyeshadow. See over here, it's looking like orange, green, and you're seeing pink and the whole 9 yards. This is so gorgeous. I just wanted to try something from the box. How pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my good Lord, this is just pretty. It is very soft, so you don't want to dig in. Pretty. Today's I am. Oh my God, today's I am is so beautiful. Let me get to this I am for you because I have the best community out there on YouTube. I am proud to say that. And I can say that because it's true. The best community on YouTube. And I am proud to say it. This eye look, there is a palette in there. I'll use a color from the palette to finish this look. But so far, this is so pretty. Let me read the I am. Today's I am says, I am thankful for all the connections I've made on YouTube with some amazing people. I am thankful for all the connections I've made on YouTube with some amazing people. From the Just Desserts palette by Ladybug Glow, I'm going to use the black right here. I'm going to put it in the outer corner. I want to give this eye look a little bump. But the I am is so true. It is so true that we have made such good connections with so many good people on YouTube. Because now, with so many people home, some people have retired, and people have lost a lot of friends due to different reasons. YouTube is an extension and an outlet where we get to talk to people, encourage each other, even behind the scenes there's some people we talk to behind the scenes. So it is a really true I am. I am glad for the connections I have made on YouTube for sure. So I'm just darkening the outer corner. Always remember you are first. Remember, if you're suffering with any mental illness or an addiction or anything else, any other ailment, seek help because help is available. Call someone, talk to someone, ask someone for help. Do not suffer alone. Do not suffer in silence. So do not downgrade yourself. You have to learn to upgrade yourself even when no one is upgrading you. Learn to be with your thoughts. And with that said, today I was in the shower. I was not present. And my thoughts were all jumbled. My thoughts was all over the place. My good Lord. I had to stop myself a couple times and I'm like, pay attention to the now. Pay attention to what's happening right now. And I tell you, take a few minutes in your day and just stay still and pay attention to your thoughts and you will see what I'm talking about. I am like, my thoughts are like all over the place. Things that never happen, things that are not happening, things that maybe will never happen. My thoughts are just crazy trying to make it look real. So take some time, even if you have to pause this video and listen to your thoughts. Leave me a note in the comment. Tell me if you did it, even though it's on another video. Let me know. Because it's important for us to pay attention to our thoughts, address what's going on, so we can move on in life. Remember, if you like my content and if you love my content, subscribe because over here, good vibes, motivational, inspirational words and encouragement for all of us. And put on the notification bell so YouTube can send you and notify you of the video that I have uploaded. Let's finish this eye look and I will show you what this one color dual chrome multichrome and this plain black eyeshadow matte looks like after everything is dolled up with liner and all. Right? I'll be back. Don't go anywhere. Stay here. Stay here. I love you. I am back with the complete look from using products from my ice cream box. First ice cream box. I used the lip cream. I used the highlighter. I hope you can see it. I didn't use a lot. That's the highlighter. I'll be using some more of that again. I used the one color eyeshadow shimmer. I used the black for the outer corner. And then the last product I used is the lipstick. But I used the brown liner to kind of help bring it out because I'm not a nude lipstick kind of person. This is the eye look. Isn't this pretty? You can do this one color eye look for Valentine's Day. This is gorgeous. And I paired with my pink earrings and my pink ribbon. I dimmed the lights even more. Let's see. It is a beautiful, beautiful multi-chrome. So ice cream box makeup. Love this, love this, love this. Have fun in life. Life is short. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. I will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe for motivational encouragement and the I ams and the good vibes and love and laughter. Bye.